Where's Grandma? Is that Mima?
Brianna's here.
Where is she? Where? She's getting mad now because she can't get to you.
Serenity,
Who's that?
She's got the phone, Mima.
girl.
Who is that?
I think she just hung up on her.
Don't hang up on Mima, honey. Tell Mima, come over here. Say hi. Mima, talk to her.
Serenity. Serenity, what you doing? Huh?
Who is that?
Serenity.
Is it
Okay,
Grandma?
go to the front.
Say hi.
Aww.
Not gonna say hi.